Hello students, very good morning all of you. Welcome to my video channel. Today topic is hybridization and shapes of molecules. It is carbon compound molecules. Here now first is there why we need hybridization. Yeah, why we need to hybridization of the molecules. So to explain the characteristics of geometrical shapes of polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules means when one any carbon atom या other any element atom combined with the more than one element atom in a fixed proportion, so that molecule known as a polyatomic. Polyatomic. That molecule known as a polyatomic. Polyatomic means here now also like a methane. Methane have a one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom. Here also water is there. Oxygen, one oxygen atom bind with the two hydrogen atom. Here is also ammonia, one ammonium, one nitrogen atom combined with the three hydrogen atom. So these molecules are called polyatomic molecules. These molecules are called polyatomic molecules. Okay, and when we it means they are sharing an electron when arranged in the box like a last these electrons are in basically present in the last cell या outermost cell. So there are the subcell and outermost orbitals are here also. So like a methane. Methane is methane. So methane means CH4. So carbon atomic number 6. It means their atomic configuration will be the 1s2 and 2s2 or 2p6. Okay, so here now they are arranged in the box. It is outer in their orbital. So last outermost means 2p6 name 2p2. So outermost cell are 4 electrons. So it means 2s2 and 2p6. So there are the 3 orbital in p subcell. So it means 1 and 2. But we need to for it means one is the unpaired electron. We need to for exciting state for the pairing of the electron, yeah, for sharing of electron. So that should be the paired electron. So what will happen there in exciting state, that is normal state, excited state, one electron of the 2s orbital that will jump in the pz orbitals. Okay, then will be there, that will called a 4. There will be the 4 unpaired electrons. Okay, so let's now see what is the hybridization. That will be, that was a why need to hybridization. But here what is hybridization? Hybridization of the carbon compound. Hybridization is the process of intermixing of orbitals of slightly different energy so as to redistribute their energy, resulting in the formation of new set of orbitals of equivalent energy and shape. Okay, equivalent energy, here equivalent energy. So it means during the hybridization, intermixing now, like here intermixing, here is the 2s in 2s2 but 2p2, but one orbital is the unpaired. So that is the intermixing of slightly different energy levels as this orbital different than to the p orbital. As to redistributed means one electron jump from to s orbital to the p z orbital. Okay, distributed, and then energy distribute and the equal the or energy. Okay, resulting in the formation of new set of orbitals equivalent energy. It means then here will be the equivalent energy na, or all four orbitals. It means one s orbital and three p orbital. Okay. Now here and shape will be there. Shape will be same also. Now here hybridization of the carbon compound. Hybridization of carbon compound are three types. One is the sp3 or hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, and sp hybridization. First is there sp3 hybridization. Sp3 hybridization means it means sharing of the one electron in that carbon, means sharing of the four electron, because carbon have a outermost shell have a four electron. They need to the four electron, which one will be the s or three will be the p. That's why one. That's why the sp3. Okay. Now here, here is the that is the example of sp3 hybridization, the carbon and carbon last like here carbon 2s, it means 6 4 electron in the their outermost shell, and the orbital last is the 2 electron in the 2s orbital, and 2 electron in the 2p orbital, but one orbital is it means unpaired in the p subshell. Okay, so now they distribute their energy and intermixing of the orbitals. So then one electron of the 2s orbital jump in the 2p jet. So then here are the s and p have a one electron in each orbital of s and p. So that is the sp3 hybridization is one 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 electron of the s orbital and 3 electron of the p orbital. That is the intermixing and form equivalent energy. Okay, it means sp3 means 20%, 25% sharing of the s orbital and 75 sharing of the p orbital. So that's why that is called sp3 orbital. sp3 1 is the s and 3 are the p. That's why it means 1 electron in the s and 3 electron of the p. Okay, so that is called sp3 hybridization. They are mixing one electron of the s orbital and 3 electron of the p orbital. They are mixing together, and also from the redistribute also again. So that is called a excited state. That is called a down state of the methane. Okay, here are structure also sp3, because that is carbon, these are hydrogen, and 4 corners are there, and each are forming the sp3 hybridization. Each are forming of the sp3 hybridization. Okay, and then their structure are from the tetrahedron. 1 2 3 4 4 corners are there. So that is forming 4 corners. It means their structure methane from the tetrahedron. There are 4 bonds formed by each carbon atom. There are directed towards the corners of regular tetrahedron. It means methane molecule has tetrahedral shape. So we are explained here of hybridization and shape of molecules. It means hybridization of the sp3 hybridization carbon compound, sp3 hybridization I have explained, and also shape in their what shape they will form on during the hybridization. So it means they will form the uh, tetrahedron shape. So thank you for watching video, and also share, subscribe, comments, and like. Thank you.